New research confirms that branched-chain amino acids reduce fatigue and improve physical performance. The branched-chain amino acids include the three amino acids leucine, isoleucine, and valine. University of Texas researchers had older adults aged 60 to 80 follow an 8-week weight training and aerobic exercise program, while also supplementing with either 6 to 9 grams of branched-chain amino acids daily, depending on body weight, or a placebo. The researchers reported that those supplementing with branched-chain amino acids experienced significantly greater improvements in strength, endurance, mobility, and quality of life, while also experiencing a greater reduction in fatigue and depression as compared to those taking the placebo. In fact, the VO2 max of those supplementing with branched-chain amino acids increased by 40% over the 8 weeks, yet in those taking the placebo, VO2 max only increased by 18%. And hand grip strength of the subjects taking the branched-chain amino acids increased by over 15%, yet in those taking the placebo, hand grip strength actually decreased by around 5%. Plus, the walking speed of those taking the branched-chain amino acids increased by 12%, yet in the placebo group, there was no improvement in their walking speed. The branched-chain amino acid group also increased the number of chair stands they could do by 22%. Yet, the placebo group only improved by 8%. So the branched-chain amino acids allowed the subjects to more than double their improvements in physical performance, be it strength or endurance. Although this study was done in older adults, the mechanisms of action involved, such as muscle cells using the branched-chain amino acids as a fuel source during exercise, and valine blunting serotonin levels and therefore fatigue, carry over to people of all ages. So if you want to improve your strength, endurance, mobility, and quality of life, as well as reduce fatigue and depression, consider supplementing with 6 to 10 grams of branched-chain amino acids about 15 to 30 minutes before workouts and about 15 to 30 minutes before a meal on days that you don't work out. Follow for more science-backed supplement advice.